This is the Dri-Eaz Evolution low-grain refrigerant dehumidifier. The Evolution has the capacity of removing 119 pints of water removal at saturation. More realistic to a water damage job is what we call AHAM. That is what the machine's capacity is at 80 degrees, 60% relative humidity, which is very consistent with what we see on a job site. At AHAM, the Evolution will pull 70 pints. The system itself has a blower that will produce 160 CFM or cubic feet per minute. The Evolution is UL rated along with a CUL rating, a Canadian rating. Evolution also will offer a hot gas bypass system for its defrost mode and has a built-in automatic pump out system which will dispense the water away from the dehumidifier to a drain source through a drain hose. The system itself is treated with an antimicrobial. During the shelling process, it's actually inserted into the mold and creates a nice barrier on the unit to prevent any type of fungal growth that would grow into the shell itself. That is a unique feature to the Dri-Eaz product line. The system itself is 80 pounds, pretty lightweight, easy maneuverable. It makes it very convenient for any technician, whether it be male or female, to get the system into the vehicle, out of the vehicle, and or up and down stairs. Another important feature to the system is its power consumption. This is a 6.4 amp machine, low power consumption for the rate of water removal that you're getting. Some of the features that are unique to the Evolution, one being easy access to the filter. By simply lifting this little knob, the front door will fall down and you have access to the filter itself. Filter can be easily removed just by sticking your finger in and accessing the filter. Working our way up on the Evolution, you'll see that there's a collar here. This is where our warm dehumidified air is actually exhausted from the system itself. Nice thing about the Evolution is you have the capability of attaching lay flat, ducting, and directing your airflow. On the side of the system as we work our way around, you'll see on the Evolution it has a nice large wheel. The larger wheel will give easier access to going up and down staircases, and it's real ergonomically correct. It's tucked in, very sleek, and easy access through doorways. If we work our way down around the back of the system, you'll see that the handle on the Evolution is retractable. Right now it's in the downward position. If we flip it up, I can simply just pull the red latch forward and engage the handle in place, nice and secure on the handle. Working our way down, you're going to see that there's two black knobs here. This actually gives us the flexibility of wrapping our drain hose or our discharge hose around these black knobs. Important to note on every Dri-Eaz dehumidifier, when you're running the system, it's imperative that the drain hose be completely unraveled from the system. By having it raveled, you can actually get a kink in the line which could shut your dehumidifier down. The other thing that is important to note again is when your hose is uncoiled, make sure the wheel is not sitting on the hose, which again could cause a pump failure and shut the system down. Working our way up on the Evolution, if we rotate it again back the last way, you'll see that there's a nice cord wrap that fits right around the front of the dehumidifier, making for nice clean setup and actually shut down on the system itself. The last feature, which is unique also with the Evolution, is the control board. If we tilt backward, the system has a nice touchpad control board and gives us diagnostics in the event that there is any type of failure with the system. If you see a error code, simply just refer back to your owner's manual. This is the Dri-Eaz Evolution.